a level 3 out of 5 risk of severe weather. This does include pretty much the entire NBC 15 neighborhood with the exception of our inland zones under level 2. But regardless of what level you're under, there is going to be the potential for some strong EF2 or higher tornadoes. So make sure that you're ready for that. We right now think that there could be a couple of those. So you definitely want to make sure you have a way to receive watches and warnings before you go to bed tonight. And damaging wind gusts with some of these storms up to about 70+ miles per hour. Now there's already a tornado watch until 9 p.m. tonight for Jackson County, Mississippi, Harrison and Hancock County, all the southern parishes of Louisiana, all the way west towards Houston and Galveston. We could see that shift eastward. Again, we do have that tornadic and damaging wind risk tonight. Right now, the timing looks to be from midnight to 4 a.m. west of I-65 and from 2 a.m. until 8 a.m. east of I-65. So now is the time to designate that safe zone in your home that the entire family is aware of, that they can retreat to should your neighborhood fall under a tornado warning, and make sure that you have multiple ways to receive alerts. You definitely want to be aware when there is a warning, and these storms are going to be rolling through at a time when we're all very vulnerable when we're sleeping. So go to bed with the channel on NBC 15. Check out the radar scan right now. We are looking at some heavy downpours that are lightning packed right along I-10 from Moss Point all the way to Mobile, and then we're also tracking a few severe thunderstorm warnings in and around Slidell and New Orleans, not across our viewing area. These thunderstorms are going to be moving towards Addison Woods right now, Pepper Ridge right now, Lansdowne in about 1 minute, followed by Madison Place in 2 minutes. These are some of the neighborhoods, and also you can see Rolling Acres in about 4 minutes. So we do expect some heavy downpours. Severe thunderstorm warnings in place for Slidell, also into Stone County, Mississippi, due to the potential for some damaging wind gusts and small hail. Check out the forecast tracker. Here's the deal. We have a warm front lifting northward. As that happens, higher humidity. We will begin to see our atmosphere begin to get amped up, the air rising, a few thunderstorm cells that could begin to twist here. But the big deal is this line of storms that will begin to move in around 2:30 near Lucedale and Leakesville, and then begin to rake over Mobile at 4 a.m. and then Pensacola at 5:30, followed by Destin around 6:30. And then once this exits around 8-9 o'clock, we will begin to see improving conditions outside of the storms. We do have a high wind warning until 9 a.m. Tuesday. Winds could gust within these coastal counties up to about 60 miles per hour. Elsewhere, we have a wind advisory where winds could gust up to about 45 miles per hour, and that's throughout the day on Tuesday. As we take a look at the forecast gusts, you can see around 3:30 this morning, 36 mile per hour gusts for Mobile, 53 mile per hour gusts for Pensacola. That's around 6 a.m. So our beach cam right now, high risk of rip currents. We do have a high surf warning in place. Large breaking waves will continue to build as the night progresses. We could see some minor coastal beach erosion. Here's a look at that high surf warning, 8 to 13 foot waves. And again, that is going to continue. We also now have a coastal flood warning for Mobile and Baldwin County. Significant coastal flooding can't be ruled out. Tidal heights around 3 feet, and then a coastal flood advisory for that lighter green from Pensacola to Destin and also Pascagoula. What's interesting, we rarely see this. This is a marine storm warning, and this is all the way until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Offshore waves building as high as 12 to 17 feet and southeast winds gusting to 55. And once that expires, we'll have a gale warning with 12 to 15 foot seas, a west wind gusting to 45. And if that wasn't enough, we could see on average about 3 inches of rain before this system kicks